Everybody, how we doing? Welcome back. Good afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you're watching us from. If you like this setup, I love it. Just got a couple of new subscriptions on TradingView, and well, now it's gonna be way easier to manipulate the charts, the technical analysis, and much more. It is a special live. We're gonna be covering what's happening right now with Bitcoin. Is fantastic, but we're seeing with Bitcoin a rise, everyone that many of us wanted for the digital gold. You're seeing, of course, Shiba Inu. You're seeing I'm talking. You're seeing Algorand, but we have the rise on Ethereum too, and it's just incredible. Very happy to have with you guys this conversation. And at this time, Bitcoin has risen from this is the year-to-date view, which we're looking at somewhere around $40,000 everyone, all the way to 61,000. So as you appreciate what you're seeing right now, we have four quadrants, four different coins, four different stories. It is great. It is great. Imagine all the people who bought Bitcoin when it was worth cents or a dollar or a couple $100. Right now, those people are just showering in money. And that's exactly what you and I want to be later on with other cryptocurrencies, right? So welcome aboard, guys. A special live stream on Friday. Tomorrow I won't be doing anything because I have planned a trip, so I won't have my channel active. So that's why I'm doing it today. But well, we have in the house right here a couple of members, a couple of people, Grass, Toto, and Aquarius. How we doing, guys? New Cipher. I of course know what happened with New Cipher today. Went all the way to the moon and then came back down. Typical pump and dump. But we'll talk about New Cipher. I'm gonna add it to one of the charts. What do you guys think? At this time, Bitcoin is 61,000, and you might wonder why is it happening, right? Well, the easy question or the easy answer will be because Bitcoin ETFs are likely to be approved by the SEC. So imagine Bitcoin ETFs approved. That means that cryptocurrency begins to have a yes from the United States government. And that's what a lot of people want, because the beginning of having let's say Dogecoin, or in this case Cardano or Ethereum, more aware in the United States and abroad, it's by the United States opening their arms and letting us use it the way we want it, store it, what have you. And that is exactly what beginning with ETFs, I think that's pretty cool. Even though other people in the industry say that they don't agree with Bitcoin, or they think it's a scam or it's a bubble. I've heard just recently how the JP Morgan CEO said that Bitcoin was a bubble, right? So wow, look at that. But anyway, pretty happy, guys. Pretty excited. Now have my water as always, and just here for a while. Ooh, what a delicious day. What a delicious day, guys. So welcome aboard. I also have the 5-day here for Bitcoin, which is going to be, look at this, it jumped from 57,000. So the news really helped this beauty. We have Shiba Inu here that from the last, 5 days, guys. I said it yesterday. You won't, I'm not gonna lie to you. I said it yesterday with Shiba Inu, right? With the video I had. I'm talking, we have it right here, where I posted a video on Saturday, and I knew, that it was gonna be somewhat steady trading sideways as well. I haven't posted much on AMP token, still holding, and Algorand, baby. The reason why you see this pullback, it's relatively speaking for the Algorand governance. The Algorand governance is what's happening with Algorand here. And that's great for me because I'm going to be making a lot of money in the long term. I'm going to go ahead and get to your questions. But if you guys are coming in, might want to go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells, guys. We're on the quest to hopefully 10,000 subscribers very soon, and you want to be part of that. Thank you so very much, and come on board. We're just starting the live, and I'm just trying this new setup on TradingView. I know a lot of people sometimes ask me, so what do you use? I typically you can use just one window. In this case, I have 4 because I mean I think that will be more well received for you guys if you want to see different charts moving. So let me go ahead and get to your questions. Got AXX. I just bought some more ADA and Shiva. Nice. That's pretty cool. Yes, I mean that is exactly what I'm gonna be talking right now when it comes to Bitcoin and Shiba Inu. Let's start with Shiba Inu, right? Hey, Felix Marvin. Hello, Oscar. It's not just the possibility of an ETF. It's fears of inflation and concern about the incompetence in the current administration. I have to agree with you, Felix. I have to agree with you. Honestly, I don't care what party you're from. I'm alive, I'm mature, and I can see like, wow, it's questionable, right? It's questionable, the management of this administration. But it's all right, whatever. You guys saw that crazy pump new cipher did yesterday? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We saw it. Let me go ahead and open new cipher for you guys. I'm gonna also get it right. Open it for you. You know what? I'm gonna close. I don't want to have my computer lagging too much. I just still have to add more strength to my beautiful computer, but I'll open it in just a second right now. Hey Jerry, welcome. Hello Oscar, still waiting a bit more to buy more Shiva. Absolutely. So let's go ahead and get started. As you guys can take a look at everything here. Shiba Inu here on the right. Yesterday, what did I say yesterday, guy? Basically, and I actually was surprised that my video was picked up. I was surprised that my video was picked up by the algorithm just for 1 hour. As a content creator, you see when YouTube gives you the wings and then drops you. But what I said is that, guys, all the indicators are saying, everything is saying that it's gonna continue dropping. I know that yesterday was the addition of the Shiboshi's NFTs, but guess what happened? I checked very quickly and very carefully on Twitter, and what happened with the Shiboshis is that it was too expensive, the gas fees, and not many people were able to get those Shiboshis, and they run out very fast, and some people just couldn't do it, and it was everything just so expensive. They spend a lot of money in gas fees, and that is what happens when you have an ERC20 token, right? That's what happens with token. I want to stake my tokens to the Flexa network, but I can't because it's like $90, $120 to do it. I'm not gonna pay that, everyone. So with Shiba Inu, yes, very quick and easy. However, once you start messing around with the gas fees on Ethereum, oh boy, really is a pain for you to do that. I mean, maybe someone here in the chat can tell me if you actually got one Shiboshi or so, share with us. That will be amazing. That will be amazing. But my experience right now is yesterday I saw Shiba Inu at 28. Here's the 5-day here. Here is October 14. We were at 28.93 and it started to drop because of what? Sell-off, everyone. Sell-off and fears, and Shiboshi's failing a little bit, and just a couple of those reasons. That's what it is. Like I said, it is not that this altcoin is a bad altcoin. It's just that people change, and now Bitcoin is what's taking the podium, and that's what people are gonna be buying pretty much at this time, a little bit more. Oh boy, Bitcoin is coming to 62,000, everyone. Now here on the error side, the relative strength index, it helps us see the price momentum. So at this time, with this push that it had, Bitcoin is officially overbought on the RSI index. That means, it doesn't mean that it's going to stop jumping. It just means that it's officially overbought and people are buying, everyone. People are buying Bitcoin. That is fantastic. I love it. I do have like $120 of Bitcoin, not much really, but I do want to have more. A couple streams ago, I told you that I found Haru Investing, which I'm gonna be sending all my bitcoins to that because they give me like 14% APY, and that is huge. And I'm gonna do it. Yes, sir. And by the way, to everyone who is a subscriber or viewer, I'm feeling better. Praise the Lord, I'm feeling better. So that is why it is an honor and a privilege to be right in front of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And welcome aboard to the live, everyone. My name is Oscar. Cheers. It's Friday. It's Friday. Let's just have a good conversation, chill. We have some amazing cryptocurrencies right in front of us, and we'll go ahead and do some technical analysis for you guys. Nice. So from here, what do we want to watch? Some people say Polkadot and NU Cipher. So let's go ahead and take a look at. I'm gonna go back to Algorand in just a minute. So I'll do NU. That is pretty much what's taking the lead here. Look at that, and this is the this is the year to date, everyone. That is the year to date. I cannot do 1 year because that just doesn't make any sense. I have to do 5 days, so it makes sense. There you go. That is a 5-day chart here at the bottom. And I'll do Polkadot because Xenophone asked me, so why not? I'll leave Shiba Inu and Bitcoin here. AMP token, we'll go back to AMP, absolutely. Dot. Oh, beautiful. Guys, are you seeing that? Polkadot is ripping. I'll do the RSI, see if, okay, so officially has reached, Polkadot officially has reached the overbought band on the RSI index. And NU Cipher, let's go ahead and analyze this a little bit more. It still hasn't reached, so that's fine. A lot of people are very happy that NU Cipher rose a lot because that's what can happen with I'm talking to. Because it was kind of flat. Look, you see that? It was pretty flat and it wasn't Coinbase. So definitely there's a lot of speculations going on out there. Polkadot, it's one of the big ones, one of the big dogs. So I'm not surprised that this is happening. This is the year to date now. I'll do a quick Fibonacci here from the all-time high of almost $50, and for that one, there it is. Wow, that's so cool. I really want to see Bitcoin at 62,000, everyone. That'll be amazing. Ryan, thank you so much, Ryan. Yeah, I'm feeling way better. Way better. It's been just a couple of days that my voice was killing me, but I have a nice lemon juice right next to me, and I went already to the clinic, so I'm here for you, everyone. Welcome aboard. One only Shiboshi was sold for 35 Ethereum. Boy, 35 Ethereum for one Shiboshi. A lot of people making money, guys, with Shiba Inu. That's why I have it right here. That's pretty cool. We're like, I'm holding my AMP token, I'm holding my Algorand, I'm holding my Cardano. When the time is due for those three, we'll see a pump. No question about it. No question about it, guys. Absolutely. It's a Green Day mic. Yes, it is. Leaded by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana even too. So that's great. That is exactly what we want to see. That is exactly what we want to see. I want to see Bitcoin at 120. Mike, honestly, we can be passing $100,000 for Bitcoin, and that'll be incredible because at that point, all the Bitcoin naysayers, they will shut up. They'll be like, oh, we were wrong. Definitely, I do want to have at least one Bitcoin, and I need to start doing it right now. But I'm getting my my altcoins first. That's kind of like the best thing I'm doing. As we appreciate all these moves, everyone, I'm gonna go to the 5 days so we see a little bit even quicker. I'm talking, guys, here at the bottom left on the 5 days. It's not moving. AMP token, we had a little pump of purchases coming in earlier today, but there's nothing going on with AMP token that I know of. We got one listing, but other than that, that's been pretty much it for AMP token. Hey, am I gonna leave or am I gonna change something? Not really. I'm not looking into that. I'm already earning interest on Gemini. So what my plan is, when the pump comes, definitely see if I can trade that, because I do have a big chunk of AMP token, right? Because definitely there's gonna be like a super huge pump coming in for AMP, and immediately it's gonna have to retrace back like it did with INU Cipher. It does not mean, of course, that AMP token is a bad project. It's just that supply and demand, baby. When whales come, you have to take the opportunity if you wanna do a little bit of a quick gain. Hey, Oscar, if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, will that mean that Shiba will go up past its all-time high? Not really, X. My position on that is Bitcoin is one thing, Shiba Inu is another thing. Shiba Inu, remember, it's driven heavily by hype, by momentum, by what the community determines, right? That's what I've seen a lot. Um, will it grow? Will it continue to grow? Yes. I mean, I do agree. Yes, with more things that they add to the network, Shiboshis, NFTs, the DEX that they have, Shiba Swap, but it first has to come back down before it goes up. So let us wait for that and see what happens. Legit crypto. AMP and Poly have been underperforming, and now there are these tokens that you need in your portfolio for when the huge pumps come. Alcon season is upon us. Lucky. Yes, I will agree that when Alcon season comes back, yes, sir, and yes, ma'am, that is why we have the AMP token and all this running up, because we want the gainers. We want to make money, everyone. Um, it's fine. I mean, we had our time in the middle of 2021. We're gonna have our time later on, no worries. But honestly, it is a time for Bitcoin to shine right now. Bitcoin has to demonstrate everything that it has, and that's exactly what we want to see with Bitcoin. Shiba Inu, it had its time a week and a half ago. Hey, I think it did something fantastic, Shiba Inu, but I think right now it's time to pull back, recover, the momentum it had, and then explode once again. And we have the first super chat of this stream. Hey, Ram, welcome, buddy. Appreciate that a lot. Do you think AMP in the future can be as much as Visa and MasterCard? Well, in the future, I mean, what's happening is that there's already enough competition in that industry, the payment with cryptocurrency. Flex Network is not the only one who does that. Stripe does it, and other crypto and other companies do it. I'm happy that there's gonna be way more competition, but I also think that Visa and MasterCard will not just sleep out and say, I'm gonna let these upper commerce do this and us just continue with fiat money. Eventually, they will get there too. So at this point, I want to see more usage and more integration with, for Flex and Network in different industries here in the United States. And I want to see AMP token passing 10 cents, which I know it will eventually, before actually saying that it will. Because ideally, that's the goal for AMP token, and that's what we are holding it, right? So I've heard a lot of opinions when it comes to AMP, that it could take 200 days from now, 365 days from now, 400 days from now. What I think is, because we are in a cryptocurrency market, we are open to big wallet holders that can come at any time and change our forecast. So just have an open mind and buy when low, sell when high. Yes, sir. Buy when low, sell when high. Because, like, on paper, Shiba Inu to many people is still a meme coin. Like, why are you buying this? You're gonna lose all your money and X, Y, and Z, right? But just 2.5 weeks ago, it made millionaires because of the huge community pouring out on Twitter, pouring out on Reddit, and so with AMP token, you never know. We may get our lucky day where now people and the GameStop and the AMC people and the Dogecoin people actually look at AMP and say, "Oh boy, we may have another chance here," and then there's AMP's choice. So I'm open to that option. Welcome everyone, and thank you Aram for the first super chat of the day. Thank you guys, and welcome aboard. We have this nice setup that I just got, and I wanted to share it with you. And we're seeing right now the year to date of Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Polkadot that is also rising, and NU that it rose like a couple hours ago, so that's fine. It is what happens, you know. It will eventually come back down because of supply and demand, and people are gonna be selling because that's the idea of cryptocurrencies. You get your positions and done. I was watching Crypto R Us, and he sold a lot of his altcoins to buy Bitcoin, and right now it's paying off. He got some heat because he did that, but who cares? Like, it's you have to make a decision, and bada bing bada boom. Welcome aboard, guys. Oh, what a nice water. Mike, Oscar, what's going on, Tony? We're doing fantastic, Tony. Welcome aboard. Oscar, are you staking your ADA? I am indeed. And for those who were in my previous live, guess what? I got my first staking rewards on the Daedalus wallet. Yay! You have the Yoroi wallet and the Daedalus wallet. You have to download an entire node, and I did. And I have my first rewards. I already checked it yesterday, and I'm super happy. Wow. So exciting, everyone. So exciting. So yeah, my Cardano is making me money. My Algorand, guys, going back to here, why did Algorand sell off a little bit? Because it was the end of governance, and there was some kind of following. Definitely whales decided to make some sales, and bada bing bada boom. But no, I mean, I'm very excited. If I go back here to the year to date on actually I'm gonna leave it on 5 days here. That makes more sense. Instead of NU right now, I'm gonna change it to Algorand because I want to show you this, and I'll do year to date. There it is. So at this time, the high price here, it will be like right now we are looking at, so the price right now for Algorand, we're ranging from the first level of the from the Fibonacci retracement. Guys, that is amazing. That is perfect price to start some positions, and later on throughout the year make the money. And that's what I'm doing right now, buying a lot of Algorand because I know it's gonna pay off. Like you see Polkadot, it was time for Polkadot to rise. Later on, it will be Algorand and Cardano, which I've seen that they do move kind of related to each other. By drone, Chiba is also creating its own blockchain, Chibarium, to end it yesterday's dumb fees on Shiboshis. Agree, and that is fantastic. That is why I do have some Shiba Inu. I don't think we wanna again underestimate the power of a great community like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu or other ones, right? We learn a lesson with other ones. It's time for us to embrace it and kind of look at it and manage your risk. So, like I said, it will take some time for Shiba Inu to. I expect it for it to drop a little bit more, according to the RSI right now. If it drops again to 52 to 50, that will be healthy, and starting some positions around the 4017, which yesterday's video we found that was the middle point in the Bollinger Bands. Yes, that was the middle point in the Bollinger Band. So that is exactly what I'm looking at for Shiba Inu. And um, how exciting! How exciting! I've looked at GLD. Yes, I look at GLD, a yield farming token for Algorand. Yes, I've looked at that gaming gamification stuff so you can get Algorand. Like I'm saying, guys, so many different cool features so you can get passive income. I'm getting passive income on Algorand, on Cardano, on my Ethereum, on AMP token, and Bitcoin and Ethereum too. Like right now, perfect time to get into cryptocurrency. Well, I mean, the better time was when it was all dying, right? Which it was what sometime in July. But hey, if you are here, might as well join us. Remember, it's better to have time in the market than time in the market. Absolutely. Have a relative small position of AM token 21K. Air Roddy, that's fine. Do you think it will be smart to just move it into something like DOT for now or just different going during this cycle? Well, I think it will be smart enough if you depends what your goals are. If you want to just chill and get some passive income, definitely staking on the Flex network will be a great idea. But like me, I'm earning interest. If that's your only budget that you have for cryptocurrency, is literally that's the only money you have, which 21K out AMP token, that is somewhere like 1,000. So if I'm not mistaken, and you want to make more money, yeah, you might want to consider something else maybe. But yeah, that is my recommendation to you, my friend. The big story of the day, of course, is Bitcoin, almost 62,000, and we'll be here. Everyone, welcome, welcome aboard. Plus, I have a little surprise to all of you guys. Give me 1 second. There you go. We are back. Well, as we're seeing these prices, guys, and go ahead and ask your questions. I'm here for you guys. This is a special live. We'll go ahead and take a look at these moves. Guess what's gonna happen today, guys? Today I'm receiving my helium miner, and I'm super excited. So if you see me out of the camera, it's because I'm picking my helium miner right now. Bro, they're gonna drop it here at my place. So super excited. Finally, another way of making money, passive income, baby. Absolutely. Because I mean, that's my way of becoming a millionaire. Will I become a millionaire? The answer to that is very simple. Yes. It may take me 5 years, 10 years longer than other people, but it's fine. I mean, enjoying one day at a time, enjoying one day at a time, and not worrying that I don't have enough Bitcoin, or I don't have enough Shiba Inu, or I don't have enough Algorand, or I don't have enough AMP token. No, no, no. Taking a day at a time, gratefulness. We have family, we have health, we have money, we have shelter, and moving on, and moving on. That's what it is. Cannot control the future, cannot control my past. So slowly but surely. Thank you, dude. Tang. Appreciate it, my man. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Oscar, does staking AMP work? Does the APR fluctuate? Is there a good time, bad time to jump in? Yeah, the staking AMP works. And we noticed that around midnight is a good time to get less gas prices. Definitely recommended, my friend. Woo! Nice. Just announced Apple is gonna begin accepting Bitcoin. You're kidding me? That is amazing. Hey, they're gonna start rolling out slowly but surely, guys. Slowly but surely. We have Bitcoin almost 62, Shiba Inu still 25, Dot 42 or so, and Algorand. Perfect time to buy. Perfect. Thank you, Hex. Appreciated it, bro. I'm super excited. I mean, guys, I bought that miner on May. What day is today? I bought it on May. Oh gosh. You won't believe how many times I have to email Bobcat, where's my miner? Where's my miner? Where's my miner? I'm like, if you scam me, probably they got tired of me because I emailed them once. The last time I emailed it and they didn't respond, they're like, here's your miner. Stop bugging. Hey, but it's my money. I pay 514 USDC. Hey guys, 514 USDC. That's a lot of Shiba Inu when I'm talking, right? Welcome aboard, guys. If you're liking the live stream, we're just having fun. It's a special Friday. Go ahead and smash the like button. Share this video with whoever you want. Subscribe and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much, guys. Whew. What a good one, everyone. What a good one. With staking, you put your AMP and pool and use as collateral. Your pool is selected to be used as collateral. You can get rewarded with transactions sell for it. Exactly, Mike. Well said. Yeah, I've noticed that X took a little bit of a dip today. Let me go ahead and show you here, guys. Take a look at this. I'm gonna refresh this beauty. This is CoinMarketCap, as we all know. We wake up and we check CoinMarketCap. Look at this, guys. Almost 2.5 trillion. Yes, in the last 24 hours, we have 7% Bitcoin, 2% Ethereum. We have Binance actually dethroning Cardano. What does that mean? Cardano's on a sale. I love it. I love it, guys. Love it. Solana is coming back. Solana, proof of history, proof of stake. Definitely want to have more Solana. Polkadot is running. Grab Bitcoin is running. Litecoin is doing well too. Bitcoin Cash. Polygon 20%. Who has Polygon from here? You guys are making a lot of money on Polygon. That is fantastic. Axie Infinity is now pulling back, but it was doing great. Beaching was doing okay. Let's see. And from now here, of course, we come back down and AMP token now position 60. Sad, but true. That is what it is. And of course, the news, what happened today, right? Justin, Canada's largest Bitcoin ETFs to open mutual fund investors. Power to the players. Bitcoin is doing well. Breaking, ARK Invest, latest to file for Bitcoin futures ETFs. Guys, we're going to the moon. The price of gold went up 5x when an ETF was approved. Bitcoin to 300,000. So just take a look at this. It's a nice comparison, right? The price of gold, 2+X when an ETF was approved. Now that's happened. And of course, exclusive. The SEC is likely to allow the first US Bitcoin futures to begin trading next week. So wow, everyone, what I can tell you is, wow, we are in a position that a lot of us wanted, and it's finally here. And that is what I said a couple lives ago. We're still do one more bull run, and whether it's the altcoin one or Bitcoin one, we're just happy and enjoying this time. So welcome aboard, guys. We're having a good time. Welcome aboard. Oh boy. All eyes on Bitcoin. Absolutely. That is exactly what it is. So right now, I'm going to change DOT for our beautiful and delicious AMP token. That's the one for this channel. We love AMP token. Definitely, I know, that it is not what we want it to be, but guys, we'll have our day. That's what I know. After I own like about 5 Ethereum, 1 bit, no, maybe not 1 Bitcoin, but 5 Ethereum, 5,000 Cardano, 5,000 Algorand, I'm gonna go back and get like 50,000 more AMP token. Yes, I'm very close to my Algorand goal and Cardano goals. That's what I love. Why do I love Algorand so much? Because guys, like not many can compare to it. And I think it's undervalued, very undervalued. Just 10 billion in max supply. Such incredible team. Cardano, when they asked Charles about Algorand, he said that Algorand does take a little bit more of your privacy when it comes to your security, but in the end of the day, that he respects Algorand, and it's awesome that they can later on collaborate in whatever they're trying to do. So what else do you want, guys? That is pretty awesome. And I like that you guys are going crazy in the chat. So it's great. It's great. Oscar, which ADA pool are you staking in? It's called CRIP. It's called CRIP. I believe it's crypto or so. It's called CRIPT, something like that. Yeah. And I mean, I'm trying it. You know, I'm trying it. So it's pretty cool. I'm trying stuff and I love it. I love it. I can't wait to see AMP make me wealthy. Absolutely. I know. I know, my friend. We want it to happen. We want it to happen. Definitely. We want that to happen. So welcome aboard, guys. I hope, how are you guys liking this new setup with all the 4 charts? Would you like to see only 2? Would you like to see only 1? Or you actually like these 4? Just tell me. I'd love to hear your feedback on it. Oh, what a beautiful thing. What a beautiful thing. Buhai America, I only got 105 million Shiba Inu. Do you think it's fine? Well, Buhai, 105 million, that's a lot. But I mean, in terms of the price of Shiba Inu, that may not be that much. But if you want to wait it out, of course, I'm waiting out for it to drop a little bit more because I know it could. Just take a look at this. Bitcoin, it is Bitcoin, right? Can you compare Bitcoin to Shiba Inu? No, because of course Bitcoin is way more like up here, and it still drops back down because people sell it. There's so many news affecting it, what have you. With Shiba Inu, I know there's this amazing love that people have for any type of cryptocurrency. They have this emotional connection. First rule of investing with crypto: don't have emotional connections because it's gonna crush your investings. Make sure you use your logic and say, okay, when can I buy the cheapest so I can sell the highest, if that's your strategy. And for Shiba Inu, I've seen that before. That is the same thing that happened with Alchemy Pay. Any Alchemy Pay people here, any ACH. So yep, waiting for a little bit more of a drop, and then bada bing, bada boom, we attack. We attack. 4 is better, more charts, more the merrier. Okay, so you guys like the charts? Perfect. So we'll keep it like this. We'll keep it like this. So we can take a look at more stuff. Now, I'm going to go to the 5 days so we actually see them moving a little bit more. So we have Shiba Inu still working out on that Fibonacci's levels. AMP token is still on the first one, not moving, guys. AMP token is just like, you know what? Let me rest. It's the weekend. That is what AMP token is saying. Bitcoin, guys, it's about to reach the 100% level. What an amazing day for Bitcoin, to be honest with you. Look, from at 21 hours, which is 9 p.m. yesterday, it started to rise, and it just hasn't stopped. And Shiba Inu, when it started to drop for reals, was, let's see, this is October 11. This is, here it is. So it dropped on the yesterday at 8 a.m. and bam, and bam, and bam. So 3 low, 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 right? So as expected. Nothing worry, nothing surprise with Shiba Inu, everyone. How many Cardano are you aiming for, Oscar? Dark, I want to have 5,000 plus Cardano. It's just a store value cryptocurrency for the future, definitely. So not concerned with Cardano at all. The reason is that there's so many awesome projects that are coming to the market on a daily basis that it kind of seems that it jeopardizes the value that the old timers have. But in reality, you have to be like an old timer to really get the gains and the time in the market. That's something I've learned when I was starting to trade stocks. I always wanted the penny stocks, right? But to be honest with you guys, you have to be honest with yourself. Are you really a good trader? Do you have the guts to wake up early, do your research, have your triggers, and have everything ready so you don't lose that much money? When in reality, that you can buy what works and wait for it to rise. And the same strategy I learned in stocks and applying it here to crypto. And I know, everyone, that when Cardano, Algorand, and I'm talking, and Ethereum, because I mean Ethereum is already doing it, and I own Ethereum, they're rising. My wallet is increasing, and I feel so much amazing. Yes, sir. And right here, Algorand, chilling. So far, so good, guys. What are your thoughts on Stellar? Positive thoughts on Stellar. I don't have it, but as I pivot to other cryptocurrencies, here are the ones that I want to buy. I want to buy Stellar. I want to buy BitChain on crypto.com. I have a friend who has BitChain and he bought it at 2 cents. Definitely, I want to have BitChain. I want to have Stellar, BitChain. I want to have a little bit of Litecoin. Why not? And Solana. So many, guys. Matic, Polygon. Thank you, Junior, for reminding me. Cheers for keeping the audience top shelf quality. Oscar, you build a nice little community here. Should be proud. Keith Coxon, thank you so very much, buddy. Appreciate it. Honestly, you guys are here. I wouldn't be here without any single one of you. So you are the reason why I'm here, guys. And you know, we're getting better. I'm feeling a little bit better. So that's fantastic. Tomorrow, like I said at the beginning of the live, I'm not having anything. I have planned something with the girlfriend. So I'm very happy for that. We're going to go out and stuff. So today is the grinding day for tomorrow. If I want to enjoy tomorrow a nice day with the fam, today is the work day, everyone. Josué Arturo Arriaga Villalobos, my friend, great to see you here, brother. Un abrazo enorme, éxito. Muchas gracias, José. Increíble support, increíble apoyo. Muchas gracias, José. Te lo aprecio mucho. Muchas gracias. Yes, I do speak Spanish, by the way. Thank you, José. Appreciate it. That is my dinner for tomorrow. Appreciate it, my man. Thank you so much. What is your favorite cryptocurrency, Jose? And thank you for being here in the channel. You're always welcome. Oh, what a beautiful thing. What a beautiful thing. Right now, we see Bitcoin still holding at 61. We see Shiba Inu kind of bouncing back around here and there in the middle. I'm talking sleeping very nicely. I'm talking it's like a baby right now. It's like, just let me sleep. Don't bother me. And if you want to buy, here it is. But that's the best I can do. Oh, my Lord. Hey, hermano, drop that Twitter handle. Remember to hit the thumbs up button, everyone. Thank you, Felix. Appreciate it. Oh, boy. I think I'm going to keep it like this, guys, with the 4 windows, 4 panels. This is something Matt Kors does, and I love to watch his live streams. I love to watch other cryptocurrency live streams because, I mean, I know I'm nobody, but I'm building little by little, and I, of course, want to get there someday, and we got to maintain that top-notch quality. Today is a good day, guys. Finally, the world is realizing that Bitcoin matters. Upcoming future Bitcoin ETFs, it's a big deal, guys. It's a big deal because we have gold, we have silver, we have other type of commodities in ETFs. So why don't we have a specific cryptocurrency ETF approved by the SEC? And that is what's going to happen pretty soon. That's what's going to happen pretty soon. I can say lo siento, Oscar, half for Spanish I learned. That's pretty good, bro. Appreciate it. Do you have an exit strategy for the end of this cycle heading into next year? Rody 5th. Yes, I think that's a good question. So here it is. At this time, because all the cryptocurrencies I purchase have a nice dollar, I will say average, I'm not buying at all-time highs, guys. That is the best thing I can tell you. You want to get into a cryptocurrency? If you want to, let's say, if you want to buy Bitcoin right now, what is the answer to all of those who want to buy Bitcoin right now? Don't buy it. It's coming up. Like, maybe dollar cost average a little bit, but you have to buy Bitcoin when it's when everybody's like bashing on Bitcoin, when it's bloody red, right about here on September 27, when it was at 40,000 and there were all these doubters, that's when you buy Bitcoin. Right now, it's the exact and precise example to say to you, hold and look at other altcoins, right? There you go. So my exit strategy right now is just holding for the remainder of 2021, because I've been doing my positions here and there. So I'm already in the money. I'm very happy and excited. What a beautiful thing, everyone. What a beautiful thing. Cat Santos, yes, it is. You're somebody to us. Thank you, Felix. And that's what matters at the end of the day, right? That is what matters at the end of the day. Let's go back here. Crypto bubbles right now. In the last week, it was Shiba Inu. Now you don't see. Look at this, guys. To all my Shiba Inu army, I've said it multiple times, but there it is. Now, from here, it's coming back down here. Should you be scared? I don't think so. Hex came all the way up too. Now it's down. Stacks, pretty cool doing it. And Dot, I mean, so things can change. So that's why you have to be what? Diversified, everyone. Please, have to be diversified. Because have to be aware of anything can happen. And if you're planning to buy a good cryptocurrency, AMP token is looking delicious right now. I'm telling you, AMP token is looking delicious. Aquarius stocks, you invested into silver and gold too. I do have some silver, my grandparents gave me a couple of silver Troy coins, Mexican Troy coins, but they're 100% pure silver. So that'll be pretty cool to keep for the remainder of this decade. We'll see. I like the AMP updates too. Keep them coming, but it's a great community. It is here. Show everyone support. Absolutely. Yeah, AMP token is one of those communities that is small. And when we were back in June, AMP token, we had a lot of this 100x sentiment or this $10 sentiment. And I'm like, guys, that's not going to happen. But yeah, I mean, when the scammers and the pumpers and all these computer type of people come to YouTube, that is insane. I'm telling you, because I've been throughout this AMP journey for many months, and I've seen them, but we stay consistent, and we know that the reality is that if we do get a nice pump for AMP token, that will put us well above the 6 to 7 cents, but definitely not $1. BitBoy Crypto said in one of his lives, in one of his videos, that he was looking at AMP token about 50 cents end of the year. And me and so many AMP token members on the Facebook group were like, what? So definitely you want to buy when it's low. But of course, always do your research. Definitely. Oh, we have our first scammer here. So goodbye. We don't need you here. We don't want your spamming here. Welcome aboard, everyone. If you're liking the live stream, guys, might as well go ahead and give us a like, subscribe to the channel right now, and turn on those notification bells, please. Thank you so very much. I'm going to go back to all your questions, guys. That's what I'm here for. Skyler, it's first time watching you live on YouTube, and I'm an AMP token holder, and your videos helps a lot. Thanks, bro. Anytime. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, buddy. Bitcoin is also hands down best performing asset. Most holders are at gain now. Carolina, let me do something important for you, Carolina. I don't know you, but I like how you're thinking. You see this? 22 hours ago, Bitcoin, October 14 Bitcoin prices. 2010, 10 cents. Guys, where were you in 2010, guys? Where were we in 2010, guys? I was in Mexico finishing my high school, and I never heard of Bitcoin. The first time I heard of Bitcoin, I believe it was somewhere around 2015. But of course, I was like, oh, that's too expensive. $400? Are you kidding me? But now look at it. So Carolina, yes, and yes. Bitcoin. Absolutely. Oscar, will have his day where amp pumps throughout the roof eventually, and we're ready for that. We're very ready because us we've been staking, we've been holding, when we purchasing, and well, if XRP did it with 100 billion tokens, why can't we do it too? Juan Cavalieri, what do you think about ACH? Oh, I got an answer for you, Juan. I do have an answer for you. So ACH, I did make a video earlier this week, and basically what I said is that of course, definitely right now people are shifting gears to other cryptocurrency. ACH happens to be a nice cryptocurrency, position in 200 so place on CoinMarketCap. Beautiful token max supply. I love it. It did reach 23 cents on Coinbase Pro. I think right now it's about just not getting another ride for ACH. I like what they do. It is not heavily marketed here in the United States, because it's more global. So it will take some time to get its true value. But I mean, what they're doing right now, the first hybrid crypto and fiat type of payment, that's cool. So I like the way they have structured things, and the CEO oftentimes goes and has interviews and so much more. So not a scam coin by any means. Could be a good long-term hold. Absolutely. Anytime, Juan, of course. Right now, Bitcoin somewhere there, guys, somewhere there. So I'm gonna change this Algorand. By the way, of course, as you know, guys, Algorand governance closed. I was able to stake about 90% of my Algorands. Very happy. So when voting starts, we'll start getting our rewards. So I'm very, very excited for that. What cryptocurrency should we check right now on this fourth panel that I'm not using too much? You guys tell me. Very, very happy with what we were seeing right now, everyone. Very, very happy. Excited, excited, excited. Casper, ICP, CNC, XYO, being wild already. So let's do XYO. Why not? Oh, wow. Here's XYO in the year. Let's do XYO here too in the 5 minutes. Look at this. Look at that nice growth over here that I see. A lot of buying. 4 cents. Okay. It's coming back down as expected. It's coming back down as expected. Your thoughts on Saitama? Eli. Which one do you say, Eli? Remind me because I forget. Waiting for mine. Thanks, Oscar. Anytime. You move some profits to AMP. That's what a lot of us do too. We move some profits to AMP just to kind of have a nice cushion right there. My thoughts on Saitama. Saitama. Well, Saitama is around the prices back when Shiba Inu wasn't on Coinbase, right? It's about 7 to 8 zeros. Saitama, it's because I did research a little bit. Saitama is looking to educate people about cryptocurrencies, if I'm not mistaken. So they have a good vision, but man, I mean, this cryptocurrency has really had me against the wall, if I may say it that way, because Yes, it's super cheap, and yes, you can make a lot of money, and yes, if you have the chance, why not buying because it's super cheap? But at the end of the day, it's gonna be hype and the community same as Shiba Inu. Period. so so yes, absolutely. If you're into that, bam 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 bam. At this point, and by looking already at Shiba Inu, I would consider it if you put $50 in Saitama. Why not? Something that is not gonna affect your main investing. Yes. Nice, Juan Garcia. You converted some sheep. That's cool. Imagine in 4 years. I know, right? That'll be something crazy, man. That'll be something spectacular. So here's the 5 minutes, everyone. Anytime, Jose. Absolutely. Kuma Inu. Wow. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome aboard. We'll really have a conversation about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, all these cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu. I'm talking, and the main reason here is, remember, 2021 has been an amazing year for us when it comes to cryptocurrencies. We have experienced some ups and downs, but at the end of the day, wow, you are coming out this year much richer than you got in. That's not really a difficult thing to do with all these cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna suggest you guys, if you're watching, have a good accountant to do your taxes, right? Because we all have to report our gains, and well, that will be something very fun. I think something my channel and community will appreciate is if I make a video about that. There's already some good videos out there on cryptocurrency, which, I mean, that's awesome. So I think I'm gonna have something done for all of us. Yes, that'll be awesome. Thoughts on IOST? IOST. Which one is IOST? Let's see, what is this one? Rank 1 on 3. Okay, not bad. Max supply of 90 billion. Okay, I've seen worst. Price is 5 cents, almost same as I'm token. Ultra fast, fully fledged, decentralized blockchain, proof of believability. Okay, wow. Is it on Coinbase or so? It's not on Coinbase, it's on Binance. I'll have to take a look at this one more, but it does have somewhat the same price as I'm talking, with somewhat the same max supply. So I do see the comparison right there in the price. So it seems that is doing fairly okay. Talking about Cardano, absolutely. Nice, Aquarius. That's good. Always learning. That is fantastic. We're gonna be talking about Cardano, which that's one of my favorite ones too. So I'm gonna change this to ADA. Beautiful. Cardano time, baby. But before, gotta take some restroom break. I'll be back, everyone. Don't leave. We are back. El baño. Yes, Dark Glass. After drinking a lot of lemonade, we need to do this. We need the restroom. Thank you guys. Appreciate it for holding. Nice stuff. God, you love Algo Coin. Yes, me too. Absolutely love it. So I have here Cardano, and I have Cardano too. Let's go ahead and move it here. Take a look at this one. And I'll go to the year to date. Here it is. I love these charts on TradingView, guys. Honestly, they're so awesome. Love them. I love them. Here it is. There you go. There you go, everyone. Dimlaw, the Green Reaper, welcome, bro. Appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Guys, so take a look at this beauty, guys. Cardano, Algorand, and AM token. These are the three musketeers for me. They are in the first level of the RSI. Priceless place. Priceless place, guys. Because these were very high. And look, Cardano, RSI doing very well. I'm talking RSI doing very well. Like, wow. If you wanted to buy a cryptocurrency, definitely these three are doing amazing for us. That's what I'll tell you. I have my Daedalus wallet. I'm already earning rewards. I gotta tell you, I think you will be even better to earn 5 to 6% on the Yoroi wallet. Just because I already did it on the Daedalus, I'm not gonna change to Yoroi. But I'm looking to buy more ADA. Absolutely. I think I already purchased enough Algorand, but I'm kind of bouncing back. Definitely want to add more of these two. So later in 2022, I have other positions made. Because now that I'm going to have my Helium miner, I want to see how I do. See if I buy another one. We'll see, right? We'll see if I buy another one. Do you see Bitcoin reaching 1 million? 1 million in price? And let's go ahead and reach 150 first. I see Bitcoin reaching 100,000. Yes, that's a complete guarantee. Yes, I see Bitcoin reaching 100,000. But let us first reach that point and then we'll move on, right? Because 1 million is like saying I'm talking we'll reach $1, right? Totally a possibility, but we still need some couple steps to run to get that to that point, right? Guys, Shiba Inu is coming back. Shiba Inu is coming back. That is always good. Look, guys. Shiba Inu has, oh boy, nice pump on Shiba Inu at this time. Everyone caught in getting this live. In the last couple of minutes, we have Shiba Inu reaching very nice price and momentum on the volume. High volume here on Shiba Inu. Buy indicators, technicals. Nice stuff. Volume 5.7 million. Oh, look at that! I'm gonna start increasing. It reached the, I believe it's the fourth RSI in the Fibonacci level. Oh, it just broke it. It's coming back up, everyone. Shiba Inu is coming back up. And I'm talking is sleeping. Shiba Inu is rising and I'm talking is sleeping. Shh, don't wake, I'm talking. It's sleeping. It's very comfy. A nice pump on Shiba, guys. That's cool. That's cool. Where's the Shiba Inu army here? Boom. For Daedalus, do you get your reward already? Yes, Grim Reaper. Yes, I got it. I'm super excited. I told this earlier in the live. I got my Cardano rewards finally. I got one or so. And I'm like, okay, well, at least I got something. My, oh boy. Oh boy. Look at that, Shiba rising. Oh boy, is he gonna get 4027 right now? Oh, that's a nice push, guys. Look at this. Shiba Inu, baby. Wow. Wow stuff. You guys are liking the live. Go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, please. Thank you so very much. Go ahead and share with other people so YouTube knows. Okay, next 5 minutes, finish the first 5 minutes, second 5 minutes, third 5 minutes. Are we gonna see a drop? We may see a sell-off right now, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready for this. We may see a pullback right here. We got two bull candlesticks that we're seeing right now. We may start seeing a pullback here on Shiba Inu. Careful with Shiba. It has big whales as holders. Catalina, yes. Have to agree 100%. Haven't seen this push on Shiba Inu ever since a long time. So it is the first time that we see such a push right now on Shiba Inu. We got it live, everyone. We got it live. Now here it is, the pullback. There it is. There's the volume coming in. There's the volume coming in. Bitcoin still hovering the 61,000, doing very well. Not moving, same as Shiba Inu. We have AMP token resting and relaxing. Nobody bothers AMP token right now. And we have ADA, Cardano doing okay, relatively fine. Consolidating. If I go ahead and start scrolling up, consolidating right in here since today. Nice consolidation here. Very good. That's a bullish consolidation, so that's pretty nice. Welcome, guys. Talking about Bitcoin and token Cardano, and of course we have our eyes on Shiba Inu at this time. We just saw these two nice volume lines. Look at it. Boom, boom, boom. Rise. That's what we want to see. Breaking the Fibonacci level, so that's always good. Ooh. Delicious stuff, everyone. How do I earn crypto rewards, Aquarius? It depends where you want to stake, but definitely if you want to earn the most, I think that will be by locking your cryptocurrency. Something I've learned, if you lock your cryptocurrency, which means that you cannot move it, you cannot sell it or so, that will give you the most crypto rewards. I've seen some APYs all the way up to 14%, 15%. That's what will give you the most crypto rewards. Absolutely. ACH starting to move too? Really? I'm going to check it right now. That's so cool. ACH. Oh, look, Shiba, it's not giving up the bullish momentum. It's not giving up the bullish momentum, guys. What a nice Friday, don't you think, guys? What a nice Friday. Just to chill, relax. That's what we are all about, everyone. Chill, relax. That's what we are all about. Nice stuff, everyone. Shivano to the moon, get in now before it's too late. Patrick Lee, welcome, buddy. Woo! It's getting there. 5 minutes. This is a 5-minute chart, so this 5 minutes is doing well. If it keeps the price above the Fibonacci level, that's gonna be a great thing. But as you see, the sales are starting to come into. So, oh, here it is. It's increasing. So it comes, Shiba Inu, it's already at this point that people are trading it. It's not like before that it was just buying. Now people are trading it. So welcome Shiba holders to reality, right? So now we'll see how far they want to go with trading it. Definitely with this Bitcoin news, guys, with Bitcoin rising right now to 60 plus. Guys, Bitcoin is already at 60,000. That is amazing, everyone. Like you see here, the levels. This is the last level in the Fibonacci retracement. If we get to $64,849, guys, that has been the all-time high of Bitcoin. And we are not even $3,000 away. That is huge. That is huge. That is amazing for Bitcoin. Now imagine who is really laughing. El Salvador bought X amount of Bitcoins and they bought the dip at 40,000, everyone. Wow. Such smart president, right? And guess what, everyone? I'm a Mexican, as you know, and I noticed this earlier this week that my president in Mexico said no to cryptocurrencies. Can you believe that? Man, my president in Mexico said no because he wants to keep it traditional. And I'm like, oh boy, it is what it is. And don't worry, if you don't know anything about Mexican politics, you don't have to. I know because I'm born there. But yes, it's a disaster. I mean, that could have been a really nice jump for Bitcoin's economy and much more. But eventually, later on, it's just going to take more time. How high do you think Bitcoin might go? I've heard it might 2x. Carolina definitely is going to go above $100,000, if not by if not by the end of 2021, but will go there. Will go there. Remember, Carolina, we had Bitcoin under 50,000 for months. For months, this price is not a surprise. According to the stock to flow model, right now the price of Bitcoin should be around 120, 110,000. So 2x right now will match the stock to flow model. You see now? So it is what it is. Jairo, AMLO said that they were talking about adding it as a currency. Yeah, but saw the news and he said no. So we'll see. Hopefully, if they can change their minds, that'll be very good, bro. I love it, guys. That we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Shiba Inu making some moves, and I'm talking. Shh! Don't wake! I'm talking up. Don't wake! I'm talking up. It's sleeping. Oh boy! Oh boy! My I'm talking. When you pump, I'll be very rich. Gosh, but it's alright. I mean, at this point when I'm talking, guys, we know all the partnerships they had. We know that they have Banco Agricola partnership. They have GK Software partnership, Germany company. They have partnerships here in the United States and in Canada. They're doing amazing when it comes to providing the rails to merchants, so they utilize their phone to pay with cryptocurrency by having the Flexa method, applying it with Gemini Pay, with Speeding App, and other streams and other types. That is fantastic. It is there. It is growing. I did say it. I remember that what if AMC uses Flexa to pay and to let people pay at the AMC theaters, but they chose other company, not Flexa. So we cannot win all of them, right? Oh boy. Oh boy, here it comes. Shiba Inu, is it coming up once again? Nice run for Shiba Inu, guys. Welcome aboard to all of you guys. My name is Oscar Ramos. We're having a great time here looking at all these prices, Bitcoin conversation, talks, altcoins. If you like this, why don't you go ahead and give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notification bell, please. That'll be awesome. Thank you so very much. Let's go ahead and take a look at ACH. Definitely one that I'm looking a lot. Alchemy Pay. Let's see. What was this? Oh wow, it pumped. Nice. It pumped yesterday. It pumped yesterday just a couple, not even 1 cent, but that's good. Nice momentum that we see on ACH right here. I can definitely see a price channel there, so that's nice. Alchemy Pay, that's doing work, so that's great. Fantastic. Yes, Jairo, I did see NU. We talked a little bit about it, how it went all the way to what, almost $4 and came back down. Typically because people, I mean, of course, sell it immediately. So those are the type of deals that I'm not very used to, and I won't be able to take as fast because I rather don't risk it, or you have to really begin buying before they are publicly announced that they're gonna be listing on X exchange, because it is what happens with the price. They jump all the way. We have Daniel Delgado asking, "Hi Oscar, how high do you think AMP can go this bull run, in your opinion?" Well, Danielle, have explained this many times, and I will do it once again because I love to. The price of AMP token, it was very easy to put a price prediction in June and July when it was booming and it was doing fantastic. At this time, it is not as easy because it's not putting the numbers that many of us expected, right? Let me go back to the first window. Here you see the price of AMP token, and on June, July, it was doing very moves, like high moves and so. Right now, just in the first level, not doing much. Is that okay for us as investors? Well, me that I've been buying, I'm talking for such many occurrences during 2021, I haven't made a lot of money. I'm actually under my capital. I mean, under my break even because the price hasn't risen so much. But that's not gonna discourage me. I think by the end of the year, with one more bull run, we'll be looking at 6 to 8, 6 to 9 cents if in a bullish case scenario. No more than 10 cents, just to keep it realistic, right? Definitely, if you wanna better 2x your portfolio, you'll be looking at other cryptocurrencies right now. But I think the science behind AMP token is that even if they continue with the approach they have right now, the technology and everything is just so amazing, right? The company is just so great. They just hired a 20-year-old veteran that is gonna help them, Michelle, if I'm not mistaken, that's her name. So that is the beautiful thing when it comes to AMP token. Now, what if they start doing their own mainnet, right? Because Polymath is going to have their own mainnet, and Poly is doing very well. If AMP token, everyone, starts creating their own mainnet, shut up, give me all my AMP tokens, I'm holding. Yes, ma'am, and yes, sir. That is exactly what it could happen. Right now, AMP token is a ERC20 Ethereum token. But if you leave Ethereum and construct what you have, same as Algorand, and Cardano, then that'll be amazing. And better for the project because you have a way to decrease those huge fees that we all hate. And Shiba Inu is pumping, everyone. Nice. So there you guys have it. That is my AMP talk. And as Felix just said right now, AMP token is not hype. And that is one of the best trades in a cryptocurrency project. Why, you may ask? Because AMP token is not going to rise the way we want it, the way I want it. I want a 2x now. Why? Like, yeah, I know you're going to make more money, but oh boy, Shiba Inu exploding nice. Guys, you're seeing this on Shiba Inu. Don't go anywhere. We're here reporting on Shiba Inu. Welcome aboard. So the fact that AMP token is not hype, that is fantastic. And that's what we want to see. So buy low and hold high. Hold with diamond hands because we'll have our time. Yes, baby. Yes. My Lord, today it's a good day for Shiba people, for Shiba army. Look at this beauty, everyone. Nice. It came from 24 to 27. Some whales coming up to rescue this. Some whales coming up to rescue the price of Shiba Inu, guys. What do you think? Where's the Shiba army right now? Come on, get up. Come to the chat. Where's the Shiba army? Look at this. Is it gonna continue? Because if it does, go back to Shiba. That'll be awesome. Nice stuff. My only fear with AMP is follow XRP, which you mean wait a long time, right? Yeah, because XRP waited a long, long, long time. Yeah, they don't have a marketing campaign, Felix. Absolutely. So that is, I think, a positive news for us that we're just packing our bags with more AMP token. Chatter, I've been putting what I can afford to lose into different crypto every couple of weeks, even if it's just $10. Figure in 10 years, penny pinching today will be worth it. Absolutely, Chatter. You are 100% right. 5 Ethereum, 8 BNB, 500 AMP, 5 million SHIB. Solid. That is nice. I'm talking is a genuine project. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are hype bubbles. I mean, that is that is something, right? Absolutely. Even though if it's a bubble, you can still make money from it, and that is why people buy it. But hey, just do you and make the money, make the cheese. It's great. Shiba Inu is pumping. It's just not the best time to buy it now. It's high risk. Yeah, it's always high risk, as we know. It's always, that's what I've been saying. But with Shivarium happening, with the Shiboshis now out there, and more of the news coming out, definitely it will be something to have in mind and celebrate for this cryptocurrency, guys. Pump and dump, you will see. Yes, holder in XRP since 2018. Oh, Juan, that's awesome, dude. You buy an XRP for a while. I do want to buy XRP, Juan, but I mean, I wonder when they're gonna be allowing it again back in trading. That'll be great. I want to have it back in trading, so we buy the delicious XRP. Yes. Let me go ahead and change my title because it's gonna be now Shiva. So I'm gonna change my title so more people see this thing. So because we're gonna stay here for a little while, so I'll do Shiba Inu and crypto and Bitcoin pumps. I'm talking. Nice. Changing. Nice. Beautiful. We changed the title. Let me see, because it's the first time I've done it. Let me see how it's gonna look. Is it gonna refresh my? Who knows? But we are here, everyone. Shiba Inu and Bitcoin pumps. Nice stuff. Yes, absolutely, absolutely, guys. Always updating things as we go. Updating things as we go, everyone. And welcome aboard to everyone who is here. My name is Oscar Ramos, and it is an honor to have you. A great, great honor to have you guys. If you're liking the live, please go ahead and give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notification bells, please. God willing, very close to 10,000 subscribers. What an amazing surprise that will be. And well, you are the only ones who are who can make that a reality. Can we get to 10,000 subscribers very soon? Let's go, guys. So thank you so very much. Shiba Inu pumping, Bitcoin pumping very well. And well, wow, what I can tell you is incredible. Friday 9, absolutely, bro. Absolutely. What a good one. AMP can be any price because of its utility. One sometimes else depends on it, then it will shoot up very fast. Boom. Point. Oscar, what do you think about NFTs? Do you have any? Carolina, I don't have any NFTs, but I think eventually NFTs will become something to hold on to. And I've been doing my research on NFTs to, start minting them, because you have to mint them, and then you will be able to sell them. Minting is better because that's when you get them at a better price, right? So minting is definitely what you want to do when it comes to NFTs. I like what's happening with Shiba Inu, guys. What a nice pump, honestly. And Bitcoin, I mean, where should I start with Bitcoin? Doing very well. And I'm talking as, hey, I'm chilling. It's Friday. I'm talking it's like, hey, dude, let me chill. It's Friday. Come on. Thank you, Jose. Appreciate it, my friend. Saludos desde Puerto Rico to all my Hispanic brothers and sisters. Muchas gracias por ver el live. Thank you so very much, my friends. Welcome aboard. Nice stuff. Doing well, guys. Just here reporting very nice stuff. I think make your own one and mint it. Yep. Solana chain has the best fees for an FTA. Thank you, Carolina. That makes a lot of sense. Because I've heard, you can make NFTs on Algorand, you can make NFTs on Ethereum, on Cardano, on Solana, on all kinds of blockchains, right? And now on Shiba Inu too. So wow. That's why, some Shiba Inu NFTs are gonna go wild in price, and that'll be insane. Yes, I know, Carolina. Some of my patrons do that, and wow, they make the money. They make the money. So that's amazing. Nice stuff. Nice stuff. I'll have to go for more water right now. Whew. And sand. So how do you compare Shiba Inu and Bitcoin movements? How do you compare the Bitcoin and Shiba Inu movements? Well, one is moving because of the good news that happened with the ETFs, and the other one is happening because whales coming to rescue Shiba Inu, right? And of course, the news that happened yesterday and much more. So at this time, of course, cryptocurrencies is all based on hype. That's one thing. On volume. And definitely they're doing very well on that one. As you can see on my 4 windows, even AMP token has moved a little bit today. So eventually, the entire market today is doing okay. Let me go ahead and show you on CoinMarketCap. 2.49, a 4% increase in the global crypto market. That is amazing. That is amazing. So Bitcoin being again 1 trillion, that is great. And Ethereum coming, very closely to 500. That is what we want to see, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Now let me go ahead and, since AMP token is chilling, I'll go ahead and open Ethereum, because Ethereum is my other beauty one. There it is. Oh yes, Ethereum. How you doing, baby? I have 2 Ethereum, guys, and believe me, I'm not gonna get rid of them. I'm super happy with my Ethereum. They are the best. They are the best. As like I said oftentimes, Shiba Inu, the S&P 500 of cryptocurrencies. Yes, sir. Jose, what do you think about tokens that pay reflections to their holders on every transaction? Like which one? Give me an example. XYO moving. Nice. Nice stuff. Oh, wow. Shiba Inu still continues rising. That is great to see, everyone. Hey, Hang Time, welcome. I want to see Ethereum. I think by what we're looking right now, um, Bitcoin, Bitcoin above the all-time high that it had. That will be nice to see. So 65 to 70,000 by the end of the year. Ethereum definitely above the all-time high that it had of 4,400. Yes, and that's why it's always good to hold these ones, because these are the long-term ones that are leading the entire market cap. Yes, that'll be amazing to see, guys. Example, Saitama. Well, I don't have a experience on those ones, but that's just a couple of reasons they give you to buy them, right? My thoughts on those one at this time, none. No comments on those one. Saitama will be one that I predict will be very popular in the upcoming future for pumps and dumps. And let me go for more water. I'll be back. Don't go anywhere. We're back. And I got a banana. Got a nice banana, guys. Potassium, right? We need that potassium to go into our systems. Ethereum is beautiful. AMP can become like Ethereum, but shops will sit on AMP instead of dApps. Hey, Gary, welcome. I think it's great that Shiba got to 4 zeros and 27. Now it's dropping a little bit more, but that is nice. I'll say that some people just left the boat because of this pump, which I mean they're just trying to make some of the monies they were thinking about losing due to this retracement. If I go back and now take a look at this, as we see the RSI got corrected on Shiba Inu, and we see now people, or like we see the RSI now barely hovering on the top of the RSI, which was at earlier today inclined towards the middle band. Now it's hovering, so it's because of that retracement back upwards that it did. So very good on Shiba Inu. And Bitcoin is still rising on the RSI. That's nice. This is the year to date, everyone, day, and that is cool. And this is the one we're looking at, the 5 days. Nice stuff. Bananas are radioactive. Oh, wow. We don't want to know that, right? Really good. Really, really good. Wow. Incredible stuff. Now, as we continue seeing these guys, if I have at least one or two people who need help in your cryptocurrency or investing in general, let's say Roth IRA, you want to do stocks, you want to do options, and you don't have anyone who is helping you, you don't have anyone who is guiding you, and you kind of feel lost or so, What I'll tell you, my friend, is to go down in my description right now and click on my Patreon page and consider having me as your advisor, patron, which will help you have a community, and myself will help you get to those goals that you have. This is pretty cool because you have access to my personal Discord. You can get access to me at any time, and it's great. If you like YouTube, right next to the subscribe button, you have the join, so you can join. And I do make special content, comments, upcoming releases, news for, and my trading alerts to all my patrons and members here on YouTube. So if you're into that, you want that connection deeper with me, yours truly, that's what I recommend you to do. And thank you so very much, guys, for all this. Most of what I say here is free. Is here I do it here on online on live, but definitely there's a special place, special content, and for my members. And thank you for considering. So right now we see Shiba Inu on the 5 minute, dropping back. Ooh, look at that candlestick. Look at that candlestick. Let me go back to my comments. Potassium. Hey, Bito, what you got here? Nice. How about B-Chain? Daryl, B-Chain is a thumbs up, definitely. I want to buy it. I need to open a crypto.com account to buy it because Coinbase doesn't have it. Hey, Hex, I know, right? Well, Shiba Inu, if you were here before the pump, yes, we had a pump, Hex, and now it's pulling back. Typical. Thanks for the financial advice. Anytime, Jose, of course. Bet is the only crypto that's not banned from China and supported by the government. Yeah, bet B-Chain, and you get BTOR as soon as you buy it, so that's pretty cool. Ampy stock, I don't like this ETS fees to stake. Isai Ramirez, I know, I completely get you, my friend. You know how many times I've wanted to stake? Oh, man. I mean, I love steak, medium rare, like medium well done. That would be amazing. I'm just kidding. No, yeah, it's just insane. Like the fees are just so much. It kills us. It kills us. Nice stuff, everyone. Woo! Sum up, I'll tell you, nice news when it comes to the Bitcoin ETFs. That's exactly what's helping the price of Bitcoin rise. Shiba Inu just gave us an unexpected pump, and from here, what we see on the panel, people now started to sell. It came all the way up. People are starting to sell. So cryptocurrency, that is the name of the game. They come up, they come back down, but the Shiba Nation are still here. AMP token, we had a little increase. You see here at the bottom of my screen, the volume, the green. So people were buying a little bit more. Doesn't seem like people are selling. People are still holding. So that's great news. And of course, Alchemy Pay and Ethereum doing very well here. So I mean, Cardano too. Cardano, Algorand at a great price, definitely, to start some positions like I've been doing and just hold to get your passive, delicious income. Carolina, does anyone know what is Shiba Inu's use case? Well, at this time, Shiba Inu, as long as you hold the most, that will be 1 point. As soon as Shivarium comes, which that will be their own, mainnet, more uses will happen for the cryptocurrency. The main thing for Shiba Inu is it was to be the Dogecoin killer, right? So increasing its market cap definitely helps put a big staple on them. At this point, from my first research of Shiba Inu, it was they want you to own a lot of Shiba Inus, period. and to create a massive, great community. That's what it is. Can ACH make AMP obsolete, or is AMP strong enough to beat competitors? Jose, they seeing them as competitors in a way like one is gonna overtake the other one, that's not the right way to do so. Definitely AMP token with Flexa and Alchemy and ACH with crypto, it's two different animals, right? And even though they do deliver services that could help the same user, it's a different ball game. For AMP token collateralizing payments on the Flexa network, the other one helping the Alchemy Pay network. So holding the two of them is not a bad idea. Gary, I know you're not talking about ADA, but can you tell me if it has a halving like Bitcoin does? I cannot find that answer. I did talk a little bit about ADA, don't worry, and I love it. I'll get to you on that one. Reduction by half. First time I hear halving. Crypto halving. What is crypto? Bitcoin have reversed an event that happens 4 years with the block rewards. Bitcoin miners get cut in half. So far, I haven't heard that crypto halving happens on Cardano, Gary. But if I do, I'll make sure I let my viewers know. Good question. Hey, Oscar, bought 100 million yesterday after stumbling on your channel. Win or lose, it's just so much fun just staring at charts. Total newbies, so all pointers welcome. Darren, welcome, my friend. Appreciate it. Thank you that you watched the video. And that's what I said yesterday. I said it's gonna probably come back down, which it did, but now it's coming back up due to another pump. These are cryptocurrencies that you have to be taking a look at very carefully, right? Very carefully. Hey, Oscar, realistic price prediction on SHIB. First time on your channel, will subscribe. Thank you, Chris Preen. Welcome aboard, my friend. Realistic price prediction on Shiba Inu. Let me go ahead and help you on that one. I have the answer for you, but I'm going to actually tell you what my community is saying just to prove a point. This is us, guys. This is us doing fantastic. Thank you so much for your support. Meet Kevin is live, so that's awesome. So let's see. We have community here. So I asked yesterday, Shiba Inu end of the 2021 price will be, and most people said 3 zeros and 1. I happen to agree that it could be between 4 zeros and 1 and 3 zeros and 1, but I don't think it's going to be 3 zeros and 1. I think it's going to be somewhere with 4 zeros by the end of 2021. This is not going to be a 100x from now. It's going to take a while to, of course, get to 3 zeros, but 4 zeros, somewhere from 3 to 4, 5. That's what I think of for Shiba Inu. That is the price prediction I'll give you. Realistic one. Realistic one. Alrighty? Everyone, wow, we did it. We did it, everyone. What a nice time. I hope that you like this new setup with bars. Now that I have way more bars for you to delight yourself, and incredible stuff. Tomorrow I'm not gonna be active. That's the plan. If something changes, well, you will see me active, right? But I wish you have an amazing weekend. Please be safe. Take care of yourself. Say hi to your family. The crazy YouTuber says hi. But in the end, guys, always we do this because we care about our families. We care about our friends. We care about our future. And although you cannot go to Disneyland today because you already purchased $800 of Shiba Inu, later on with that $800 investment, you'll be able to invite all of your entire family, because now that money will be 2-3x, and that is the reason why we do this, right? That is the reason why we do this. So great conversation that we had today on the live. If you are just joining in, my name is Oscar Ramos. We talk about stocks, raw data, and cryptocurrency. In this channel, we keep it realistic, we keep it real. I like to speak in a very positive way. It doesn't mean that I'm hyping anything or I'm endorsing anything. It's just myself, right? I have to be myself. That is the best thing here on YouTube. So if you appreciate that, make sure you leave with liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on all those notification bells. Check my links down below. I have a lot of different resources for all newbies and everyone who is coming. And wow, super excited for you guys, super excited for what we're about to do. We'll see what happens, but definitely Bitcoin will still continue rising, and we'll be watching every single move. If you want to talk to me privately, check my Patreon page, join my Discord, and let's get this started. Thank you guys for all your comments. Chris, the Grim the Reaper, Carolina, Darren, Carolina, awesome, you guys, incredible show. And got excited. I got excited, guys. It's gonna be a good time. And this is the beginning of Q4. We got October, November, December. This is not end till December 31st. More videos and excitement coming your way. I'll see you next time, my friends. God bless. Peace. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it. We had an amazing stream. Thank you, everyone. Love, much love to you all. Buenas tardes, and have a great night. Have a great day. Be safe. Peace. Ciao.